Clarifying the buzz, the Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the growing network of physical devices and appliances that are connected to the Internet and to one another, enabling them to collect and exchange data. This network of connected devices includes a wide variety of devices such as smart home devices, medical devices, and wearables, among others. IoT has grown rapidly in recent years, and its applications have expanded to a wide range of industries, including healthcare, agriculture, manufacturing, and transportation, among others. One of the main benefits of IoT is its ability to collect and analyze large amounts of data from various sources. IoT devices can collect data in real time and transmit it to other devices or to cloud-based servers for analysis. This data can be used to gain insights into customer behavior, improve product design and development, and optimize business processes. For example, in the healthcare industry, IoT devices can be used to monitor patient health remotely, enabling healthcare providers to make more informed decisions about treatment. IoT can also improve the efficiency and productivity of businesses by automating routine tasks and processes. For example, in the manufacturing industry, IoT can be used to monitor equipment performance and detect issues before they cause downtime. IoT can also enable businesses to streamline supply chain management by tracking the movement of goods in real time and optimizing routes and delivery schedules. However, IoT also poses some significant challenges, particularly around security and privacy. As more devices become connected to the Internet, there is a risk that hackers may be able to gain access to these devices and the data they collect. In addition, there is a risk that the data collected by IoT devices may be misused or shared without the user's consent, raising concerns around data privacy. Another challenge with IoT is the lack of standardization across devices and platforms. IoT devices are typically manufactured by different companies and use different communication protocols, which can make it difficult to integrate devices and share data across different platforms. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of IoT are significant, and the technology is expected to continue to grow and evolve in the coming years. As IoT devices become more widespread and more sophisticated, they are likely to transform a wide range of industries, making them more efficient, more productive, and more responsive to customer needs. Thanks for watching.